The person I'm touching now, at the count of three, when you hear the word pepper, you will just sneeze continuously. The sound of pepper, the word pepper, will make you sneeze. At the count of three, you may open the eyes. 1, 2, 3. Now open the eyes now. You want to try some pepper? How about it? You want the pepper?
Do you love pepper? Pepper.
You want more pepper?
More 100 pepper.
Now I want you to feel your hand. Your eyes remain closed, but your hand is stuck onto your head. Very, very tight. Very, very tight now. Now I want you to use this hand to try to take off your hand from your head, but you can't. It's impossible. It's tight. It's so tight. I want you to use all your strength to try to remove your hand from your head, but you feel that it's so tight. It is so completely stuck onto your head now. Your hand is completely stuck onto your head. Alright? At the count of 3, 1, 2, 3. Sleep again now. Deep, deep sleep. You can relax the body. Relax, and go to deep, deep sleep again. Deep, deep sleep again. At the count of 3, you will open your eyes, and then you will remember. At the count of 3, you open your eyes, and you will remember the funniest story. You remember the funniest joke, and you just cannot stop laughing. Alright? You just cannot stop laughing. 1, 2, 3. Open your eyes now, right? Remember the funniest story. You just cannot stop laughing. It is so funny. You just cannot stop laughing. You just cannot. Oh my God. It is even 10 times even more funny. 10 times more funny. It is so funny. Even more funny now. You just recall it. 100 times even more funny. Every time I touch your hand, it's even more funny. It is so funny. You just cannot control your laughter. You just cannot stop laughing. It is so funny. And sleep. Now the person I'm touching now, at the count of 3, open your eyes, and your name is no more as it is. Your name is no more Nadip. Your name is Lim Kok Tong. Your name is Lim Kok Tong. Do you understand me? All right. At the count of 3, open your eyes. 1, 2, 3. Open your eyes. Yes. How are you, sir?